Welcome to Aqua Platicodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Imagine walking into a major train station and seeing an escalator broken. How long would you expect it to be fixed? A few days? A week? Well, in Munich Central Station, it's been 3 months, and still counting. The official excuse? They're waiting for parts from China. But let's think about this for a second. First, escalators aren't custom-built one-offs. They're standardized machines, and Germany has thousands of them. Any well-managed maintenance system would keep spare parts on hand, just like a car repair shop doesn't wait for a car to break down before ordering brake pads. If they didn't have the parts, that's a management failure, not a supply chain issue. Second, China's supply chain is one of the fastest in the world. Even during Chinese New Year, urgent shipments still go through. Factories don't just shut down completely for months. If Germany really needed this part, they could have paid for expedited shipping, and it would have been there in a matter of days. Then comes the best part. They also blame equipment aging and claim the necessary parts are hard to find. That's basically an admission that this escalator is so old that manufacturers don't even make parts for it anymore. If that's the case, why was there no plan to replace it long ago? Maintenance should be proactive, not reactive. You don't wait for a system to completely fail before realizing you need a backup plan. So what's the real issue? Germany's infrastructure maintenance is simply broken. Bureaucracy, endless meetings, and lack of foresight have turned a simple repair job into an international embarrassment. Meanwhile, in other parts of the world, escalators are repaired in days, not months. Thanks for watching Aqua Platicodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.